Hi YouTubes. Well, today is best day of the year. It's Christmas Day, and I'm here with the Hmong Community, the crew, and we're having Secret Santa. And we have 3 special guests from North Carolina, my sister Joa, and my 2 nieces Lily and Dur. So we're having Secret Santa today. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Merry Christmas. Yeah, she's kind of shy, but this is my sister Joa from North Carolina.
Hi.
See the resemblance?
Hi YouTube, you would look the same with
Yeah,
twins.
we get that a lot. But yeah, this is the other one. And then the next one is Dur. She's also from North Carolina. And yeah, she's my niece. And this girl over here, Texan, is Lily.
Hi.
This Osei, forgot to mention him earlier, but he's my little nephew too. And then this is Caramel. She's our dog. So yeah, sit. Yeah, she's still kind of new on that, but yeah.
Well, hi. Well, my Secret Santa is Jilly.
Open it.
Oh, wow. Home salon.
My Secret Santa
Was Jerry.
You ready for this?
And you guys trash it.
Did you see the fish tank?
Boy!
And that was from me.
Oh, that?
Yeah.
Oh, for Nancy.
Oh, yours mine too? I hope it's not tampons. Oh, this is so
Maya.
Oh,
I'm crying. You better be something. What is this?
Oh my god.
oh my god. Maya, oh my god. And then my second Santa was Casey on BFF.
I know, man.
Oh, Friends Forever. Oh, a picture.
I got.
So she remembers stuff.
You guys said it was going to be between the Hmong Community. So
So y'all made her cry.
I know. I feel so bad.
It's
Here,
okay.
here, computer. I got these.
Oh, mine don't
This is from Casey.
Yes.
There's a bath set. Thank you, Casey.
Here is the chocolate.
And Nancy?
Yes, for me.
I have more gifts than the Hmong Community.
Secret Santa only.
You got war body wash.
Oh, it's from Miss Paul. Oh, it's from the fall. Have money in it?
My nappy shoes. Whoa.
Baby, go down.
Oh, look at that. That's a cute sweater. It's a Kimberly.
Hopefully it'll fit me. I got fat. It's extra large. Oh, thank you.
Oh, what do you cry for?
Don't need to cry.
Oh, I'm just happy to be home for the
Okay, Dad.
holidays. Thank you, the
Next Christmas, give her ketchup.
Scarf.
She knows
I
how to
want
do
that.
that.
Good girl. That's all because all the time. I said, you're a good girl.
Okay. Some body stuff.
Bodies.
This is from Uncle.
Damn.
It's like the longest present unwrapping present.
What's that?
Sweater.
Oh,
That's cute. It's from Route 21. From Lily. Lily? Where did Lily go buy stuff? I know.
Okay, this is from Nancy.
It's a necklace. I said it right.
Oh, thank you, Nancy. I hope you like it. Okay, this is from Meyer.
Come out.
Oh my gosh. Okay, a body spray and what's this? Soap? Right? Soap?
Angel soap.
That's from Thank you, Meyer. I forgot it was. Okay, this is from Uncle. And Casey and them. It's the opposite this time.
Oh, no,
Road 21. Hey,
You can go emo with them.
That's why.
Sit down.
It's ketchup. Ketchup, I mean it.
Oh, yay! Cute. I got it.
Oh, wow, kids can have that.
Alright, this is from Brother Paul.
Jimmy, how about you? Where's
For me? Yeah, I can go to law, Talia.
nice?
It does look nice.
That's cute.
Whoa, that's nice.
Sit down.
That is so cherry.
Oh, right. Thanks for fun thing.
It's from Uncle.
Nope, it's hard. Rip it. Oh, look, skinny jeans that you wanted.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah, what's that?
He's gonna wear that tomorrow.
Yeah, he is. This.
Open it. That reminds me of somebody.
Did you help me pick it up?
So funny.
Yeah.
Totally.
Wow.
I got. You guys need. Okay, you guys need to stop blowing black color. I look too emo.
Hi YouTube. So I'm guessing the guest speaker for the Hmong community. I know I'm not part of it, but I just want to say a few words to YouTube. Everyone knows we're in recession. It's a hard economy, and this year people probably won't be able to, get the gifts that they want or they need. But I just want everyone to know, for them to remember what the season is about, Christmas is about. Christmas is not about, getting new gifts, a new house, a new car. It's all about being with your family, and don't take anything for granted. It doesn't matter what the present is, it's the thought behind the present. So, even though if you get, some lotion, that's better than getting nothing. And it's thoughtful that people even think about you to wrap you, your present. So I just want to say Merry Christmas to you two. And I don't know what the Hmong community have to say, but we just want to say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Bring your drinks. Don't spill anything.
Fried banana. Great dip. We're missing a dip though. What's it? Dip.
What's lemonade?
It did, man. Oh, by bottle.
Everybody have a piece, so I'm gonna put one on each.
Say something.
Merry Christmas. These seems really good. Jealous.
Hey, Mom.
No, I'm the bad guy.
Look
Oh,
what
yeah.
Mark did.
That's okay. I'm still. I'm
Oh, I'm bad guy too.
Oh yeah. But we still in it.
Yeah.
Look at Baby. Look what Mark did today.
Don't smile.
East side, west side.
She smiled too. Like, don't hate me.
Why you always look at this pretty girl? This pretty girl. She's single. She's single. She's really pretty. Shut the noise. Shut the noise. Ah, no.
Hi, YouTube.
Hi YouTube! So today is our Christmas dinner, and we just want to get a shout out to all of the YouTube members or the subscribers of the Hmong community that we're eating without you guys. So hopefully you guys are feasting with your family tonight as well. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
We love you.